Welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. Today, in this short video, we're going to show you how to merge two cells in Excel. Merging two or more cells is a way to make those cells into one new, large cell. It's especially useful for organizing information and creating headers without having to resize them. Are you curious? So let's do it. The first step we need to take is to mark the two or more cells we want to merge. In our case, there are 6 cells that we want to merge. Let's go to the Home. Click Merge and Center. There are now 4 options to merge cells or remove merged cells. Together we will look at all the options and explain them. If we want the cell header to be centered, we use the first option, Merge and Center. However, if we want to merge the cells and keep the text left aligned, we use the third item from the top, Merge Cells. Now we want to center the cell header, so we use the first option, Merge and Center. All 6 cells are joined and the text is center aligned. If we wanted to connect the cells horizontally, select the area where we want to apply the formatting and click on Merge Across. Now we have a space where we can write notes or questions. But what if we need to cancel a cell merge? Let's see. Select the area you want to merge again and click Unmerge Cells. The cells have just merged again. It was easy, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, let us know via a comment or like. Would you like to see more videos on how to quickly and easily learn how to work in Excel? Then don't forget to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.